Drink. Come on.
That's all.
Is that good, Jade? You enjoying that? Why won't you drink from a bowl? Is that good? Are you done now?
You ready, chicken?
You could have turned off the sink.